Yes, so now we can discuss about online business opportunities, online makeup and hairstyling. So the business details will be in Google search engine and Google business opportunities and some Facebook and Twitter, LinkedIn and Pinterest, etc. But the service will be in person only. That is makeup and hairstyling. Makeup is also because most important because not every time makeup is not important, but daughter's marriage is going on means they should call one person because that day so many relatives and important persons will come to see his daughter and son-in-law also. That time something in this way in their way there should be something better to appear. That not that much, not so much. So likewise, makeup is also basic makeup is also most important for in traditional families also, and hairstyling is also most important. And hairstyling means some ladies will have ring likewise hairstyle will be there. That will not give a good opinion to the people. That time they should have some hairstyle and hair and some all these things will be there. So hairstyling is also most important to them. So likewise a makeup artist will see the same thing also. So we can call it as makeup and hairstyling. So all these things also they have they're much required not only for marriages, for in wedding days, anniversaries and birthdays also. So what persons are required? Graduations, weddings and other special occasions compel people to look their best. You can become an independent stylist and have people come to your home studio, or you can make house calls. Eventually, you might consider opening up a salon or spa. But many independent artists love the flexibility of working from home and are being mobile. So then keep in mind that live events are fewer and far further between post pandemic. So you will want to include mentions of your safety and health practices in your marketing materials. So makeup and hair styling is also an important service for occasions. So we can consider those things are also good things. But beauticians nowadays beauticians are also becoming certified beauticians and cosmetics certifications and diplomas also they are having. You can utilize them properly for these services also. Wishing you all the best. May God bless you.